Today I walked along an RV path. I saw several very beautiful horses, and I remembered a situation that happened several years ago. When I was a child, they took me on a trip to Costa Rica, and I just thought I have come to Costa Rica. One of the farms I met during that trip, there were several horses of great size and good breed. At that time, someone thought that it was a good idea since the animals were nervy. Get on me to an Andalusian horse to take a souvenir photo. They put me on the horse, and the person in charge of the horse released the rope. So the horse felt free and ran as fast as the wind. The only bad thing is that I was still on the horse. It was a fun but dark experience. In those days I was about 10 years old, and I was not prepared for those scars. Years later, look at me here, without fear of horse and studying zootechnics. Now the people said he was developed a fine taste for the horse.